Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down a little bit to find the display. Not the battery, the display. Here let's simply tap on sleep option. And as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top, we've got relatively short options, 15 seconds and 30 seconds. And at the bottom, we've got the longest option, never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. You will have to do it manually. So currently, we've got a 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So all we have to do in order to change it is to tap on the option we'd like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes. So let me tap on this option. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.